Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So ito po ang ating general reading, general money reading para sa mga Taurus. Take what resonates. This is for April 2021. Hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat ha. So kunin mo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate para sa'yo. Okay, so start na natin ang reading mo. We have here Ace of Cups, the Hermit. Thank you for those comments, likes. Ma-appreciate ko lahat ng yan. And dun sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, thank you. Kung magsusubscribe kayo, yan. So, you're very welcoming here sa new beginning mo. For some of you, hinihintay mo itong bagong some kind of freedom here. Yung iba sa inyo, maaaring currently, meron kang well-guarded ka pagdating sa sarili mo, medyo nag-iingat, hindi ka masyado nagiging open. Pero nakikita natin na, with what you are doing, kasi concentrated ka sa isang bagay na gusto mo talaga ma-achieve. Okay, so maaaring hindi mo hinahadlangan na ma-distract ka. Like you are very concentrated dito. Yung iba sa inyo you're waiting. No? And kung hindi ito sa money, kasi may nakikita akong love dito, I feel like for some of you, meron kang hinihintay. Some sort of freedom na hinihintay mo dito. Okay. So, ayun. And sa yung recent past, we have here 3 of Pentacles, 6 of Pentacles, Knight of Cups, 9 of Cups, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. Medyo naging hindi balanse, no? Medyo, I feel like medyo napagod ka. So, a lot of hard work dito nakikita natin. Pero you're being creative. Yung iba sa inyo, possible na may mga bagong dumating sa'yo or mga pagbabago, pag-shift from dun sa bagay na nakasanayan mo na into something na hindi, kumbaga bago para sa'yo. Pero, nakikita ko dito na nai-enjoy mo naman yung ginagawa mo. Kaya lang parang kulang Parang kulang. Yung iba sa inyo possible na yung pagod mo maaaring kulang doon sa nare-receive mo talaga. And but you have to see, I mean you have to look at this offer kasi nakakakita tayo ng offer dito. Okay? And maaaring with the 9 of Cups, this is an offer na makakapagpatuloy sa'yo or bigay sa'yo ng something na mapapakinabangan mo in the near future. So, possible an offer of investment, so, insurance, ganyan. Pero, nakikita kasi natin dito na although nandyan na yung offer, possible na hindi ka pa sure. Okay? Maaaring isinasarado mo nga yung sarili mo, 'di ba? So, maaaring hindi ka well open pagdating sa mga ganyang bagay kasi you are focused on one thing. So, yung nakikita ko, ikaw yung tipo ng tao na pag may goal ka, priority mo yon, di ba? So, I can see travel here in your present moment. Knight of Wands, Queen of Swords, 5 of Pentacles, King of Swords. Oh, wow. King and Queen of Swords is here. Pero alam mo, yung King and Queen of Swords, nakafocus yan sa pag-iisip There's these problems here. Pero, some kind of poverty, paghihirap. So, in your present moment, maaaring dumadaan ka sa hirap ngayon, problema. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng may kinalaman sa travel or moving into to another place. Yung iba paglilipat ng bahay or some kind of transportation. Pero nakikita natin dito, you have to be the Queen of Swords. Okay? Queen of Swords is someone na clear yung mind. Okay? Yung kailangan na focus ka. Kailangan alamin mo muna kung ano talaga yung gusto mo. Okay? Focus on your dreams. Kasi yung iba sa inyo, pabago-bago ng dreams. Or sabihin na natin yung iba, pwedeng may kinalaman sa, ito yung gusto kong, may kinalaman sa, being shopaholic. I don't know, I can see someone here being shopaholic. Yung tipong, ito yung plano kong bilhin. And then, mamaya-maya, ito, gusto ko rin to. Parang ganon. Or, biglang mag-shift. From dito, biglang, ito na pala yung gusto ko. So, you have to focus on one thing. Hindi pwedeng lahat at a time. Kumbaga, kailangan one at a time lang. Hindi pwedeng lahat agad. And with the 5 of Pentacles, magkakaroon ng pagbabago. So, pwedeng yung iba sa inyo dumadating na, nandyan na. So, just wait for it. Just wait for it. So, alamin natin kung ano yung pagbabago na yun. Okay, so yung pagbabago has something to do with the 9 of Swords, 6 of Swords, Ace of Pentacles. Someone here is being, parang from being married or in a relationship, possible naging single, so possible na, apektado ka ngayon sa mga emosyon na nararamdaman mo. So, you're feeling down, feeling mo nawalan ka. Yeah, I get it. Pero, sometimes you just have to accept kung ano yung mga bagay na nawala na kasi mas better pa yun and you have to move on. You have to move on. Kasi pag naka-move on ka, dun dadating yung blessings sa'yo eh. Okay? I can see Ace of Wands here sa yung near future. Aries, Leo, Sag energy. Oh, wow. 3 major arcanas. Can you imagine? Napakaganda. I told you. Kung ano yung pakakawalan mo, kung ano yung mawawala sa'yo, may magandang kapalit yun at yun yung mas better para sa'yo. So, maaaring mas nakaganda pa yung pag-alis. With the Devil, Capricorn energy, Strength, Leo energy. I feel like this is your energy being palaban. And with the Leo energy here, with the Strength, this is you using your mind. Okay, so in the near future, possible na ito ko nung pinagdadaanan mo ngayon, kung naghihirap ka, kung meron kang problema, use your mind. Kumbaga, in solving your problems, wag yung emotion mo yung pairalin mo, yung utak mo. So that is like an advice for you. Kasi once na malagpasan mo yan, mahirap, 'di ba? Lalo na kung this is an ending of things. Mahirap. Pero, we have here the Devil energy. This is your energy na parang being wise, being clever, and I feel like parang walang pagsisisi dito eh. So, possible na oo ngayon nasasaktan ka, pero in the near future, hindi ko nakikitang nagsisisi ka. Hindi lang yun sa love. Pwedeng yun sa job, career, na whether you are thinking kung papalitan mo na or tatapusin mo na. Yan. And, there's the new beginning, new hopes na nakikita natin dito. I mean, ang nakikita natin kasi in your near future, tingnan mo bottom of the deck, we have here the Chariot, Cancer energy, another major arcana. I can see yin and yang energy. Here, for some of you, malapit ka na makumpleto eh. Malapit ka na makumpleto as a person. Ha? So, yung mga challenges sa'yo ngayon, mas makakatulong pa yan para mabigyan ka ng better opportunity in your near future. Maghintay ka lang kasi sometimes kailangan mo na lang i-let go or pigilan yung pagkokontrol. Alam mo yon, yung kung ano yung mangyari, kayanin mo. Kasi yung iba dito, as much as possible, I don't know, but I feel like someone here is wearing a ring na gusto nang tanggalin. I feel like, nilalaro lang yung ring. I can really feel like something is in your fingers right now. But, nakikita natin dito yung development mo as a person. Maaaring dumadaan ka sa paghihirap, pagdating sa money, pero, lesson learned. Okay? And there's this new opportunity na naghihintay sa'yo. I mean, actually, you are this person waiting. Ikaw yung naghihintay. And okay yon. Okay yon. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope naka-resonate kayo. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. Unicorn Princess Tarot, Madam PTV, and Virgo Philippines. I love you all again, and bye-bye.